Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to CPEN. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you can link your digital assets with confidence. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and funded with the necessary cryptocurrency. Then, navigate to the CPEN platform and locate the wallet connection option. This guide will make the connection straightforward and secure for all users. Once you're logged into MetaMask, head over to the CPEN website. You'll typically find a Connect Wallet button, often in the top right corner. Click this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask from the choices. A pop-up will then appear from your MetaMask extension, asking for your permission to connect. Carefully review the details and click Connect to authorize the link. After approving the connection, it's crucial to confirm everything is working as expected. Look for your wallet address to be displayed on the CPEN interface, usually in place of the Connect Wallet button. You can also check your MetaMask Activity tab for a record of the successful connection. If you encounter any issues, try refreshing your browser or ensuring your MetaMask extension is up to date. Sometimes, a simple browser restart can resolve minor glitches. Connecting your MetaMask to CPEN unlocks a world of possibilities, offering secure and efficient management of your digital assets. You can now seamlessly engage with all the platform's features, from trading and staking to participating in various decentralized applications. This integration provides a smooth user experience, giving you full control over your cryptocurrency. For more great content and to explore other deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.